There's these birds over here. They fly up at me and they click. And there it goes. Oh crap. Ah! I don't like them. Right up there on top of the A-frame, see it? Ah, there it goes. And they do it forever because its nest is up there in the corner of that. I just walk over here. And they fly at me. And they do that weird clicking crap. I never know where they're gonna come from. Oh, okay. That one almost got my head. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but they just click when they fly by. Ah, crap. That one hit me in the head. Right there. Don't know why they do that. It's weird. Ah. Huh. Ah. There it is right there. I am scared of these little birds. I am genuinely scared. Them things hurt when they hit you. I don't know what. Oh, okay, there it is. Yeah, I'm going inside. These things don't like me.